Do you really know all the trigonometric ratios that exist? Let's find out through this video. We have a right angle triangle ABC with angle theta. AC is the hypotenuse, AB is the opposite side for angle theta, and CB is the adjacent side for angle theta. Let's see the basic trigonometric ratios. First, of course, sine theta, which is opposite over hypotenuse. Then cos theta, which is adjacent over hypotenuse. And then comes tan theta, which is opposite over adjacent. Now, I know some of you find it difficult to remember this. So there is this famous mantra, which is Sokha Toa. Now, this is pretty much easy to remember. If you look closely, the word so, it stands for sine, O stands for opposite, and it stands for hypotenuse. It is the same for the other two as well. So remember the mantra Sokha Toa. Now let's quickly see other ratios. If you divide sine theta by cos theta, you can observe you get tan theta. So we can write tan theta as sine theta over cos theta. Observe this carefully because in my next video you will see how these come in handy in trigonometric formulae. And back to ratios now. We have three more. Cosec theta, which is 1 over sine theta. Sec theta, which is 1 over cos theta. And finally cot theta, 1 over tan theta. These are all the ratios you need to know in trigonometry. Let's quickly see how we can apply them. We'll give you 10 seconds. Try finding all the ratios. So the first thing we do is write the mantra down. Sokha Toa. Now we can write sine theta as, since it is opposite over hypotenuse, we can write it as 4 by 5. Similarly, cos theta 3 by 5. Tan theta as 4 by 3. Now sec theta is the reciprocal of sine theta. So we get sec theta as 5 by 3. Similarly, the ratios we get as cosec theta equals 5 by 4, cot theta equals 3 by 4.